What's up, everybody? Really military watch, Victorinox Swiss Army watch. Let me show you a little bit closer this watch. One box, second box with warranty, you see, card, and black box with nice watch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I remember some request about this model, and now we have it for review. What you think? First impression, I think it looks very nice, and you know, that's heavy watch. So many information here all around. So today we have Victorinox Swiss Army Infantry Vintage Men's Watch. Retail price $1,995, almost $2,000. Wow. But the good news, you can start looking around, for example, on eBay, and you can find this watch for about like 600 or maybe cheaper, like 560 perhaps. It's cool. It's good price for this model. About movement, right? Movement, it's very nice movement. It's ETA 7750. It's Swiss, very famous. Yeah, has self-winding movement. We can see. Let me show you. Looks cool. Case size is 43 millimeters. It's regular. I think it's a regular man's size, 43 millimeters, 41, 42, 43. It's fit for many people. And 14 millimeters thickness. Ion-plated stainless steel case. It's a gunmetal and the same color dial and case. Water resistant, 100 meters or 330 feet. Sapphire crystal. Exhibition screw down case back with some information around. Swiss made, water resist, 100 meters. Victorinox, Swiss Army, and stainless steel, sapphire crystal. Very good. Watch has 3 subdials. It's a 60 second, 30 minute and 12 hour. It comes with a very nice, very strong dark gray leather strap with a deployment buckle clasp. Pull push crown. Very nice looking textured dial. Luminous hands and markers and numbers. Let me turn off light and we can check it. Oh, very bright. Everything we see. And we can see right here its logo. Company, it's a shield. Shield and cross. Okay, let me wear this watch. How does this work? hard, but sometimes very hard, but in this case so. And we move, for example, where till, no, couple more, like this. And you see, click it, and now we can simple use this watch in a regular way. One, we can move first, and then you see, very simple. Little bit, you know, maybe I have a 7-inch wrist and 17, little bit more maybe, centimeters, and I think 8-inch fit for this strap. $43 without crown and 14 thick. It's okay, no big, not really big. I like this size. So you understand, it's nice. And a little bit closer. Victorinox Swiss Army. Looks, this gunmetal and all gray. Looks, yeah, looks like vintage. This big green numbers on the dial. So if you like this watch and you wanna buy it, click link under this video and perhaps you can find better price with our helps. And thank you for watching. Please visit our website iReviewWatches.com. See you next time. Thank you, and bye bye.